We promote safety alongside L.A.M.A. We have the American Legion of Riders and ABATE. And we go to different events promoting. We all love to ride, but we need to ride safely. Take a few minutes of your time every morning or every afternoon before you jump on that bike and check your bike out. Make sure that everything is in tip-top condition. You service that bike, you check that bike, make sure that everything is in condition. And then get on your gear. Remember that the head is the first to crack. So use your helmets, use your gloves, boots, and be safe.